If you want to get free 3D models of any type online, free3d.com is one of the easiest places to start. Open your browser and go to free3d.com. On the home page, you'll see a search bar where you can type what kind of 3D model you need, like cars, furniture, characters, or architecture. You can also browse by category if you're not sure what you want. Once you find a model you like, click on it to see details like the file format, poly count, and a preview image. If it's free, just hit the download button. You might need to create a free account to access some files, but registration is quick. After downloading, you can import the model into your favorite 3D software, like Blender, Maya, or 3ds Max. This is a great resource for beginners, students, or hobbyists who want high-quality models without paying. That's it. Search, download, and start using 3D models instantly.